Hi everyone and welcome! Our main topic today is the Rolls Royce accident, the Porsche crash on the track. Stupid drivers who lose money and are in danger. It seems that this racing car has been eliminated from the game. After a round going up, it continues to return and race again. The camera angle clearly shows the cause of this problem. A serious crash on the track. At least 3 cars have been badly damaged. We are so familiar with shiny luxury cars. The Rolls Royce is trying to hide itself with layers of mud. Just a small mistake like this can cause riders to give up in the race. Moving slowly like this is also extremely dangerous on the racetrack. In the blink of an eye, the car has been obliterated. This collision caused the vehicle to veer off the course, and at high speeds it went off the track. I sure hope the rider's protective gear is enough to combat that danger. It seems rich people like to test the hardness of the Rolls Royce. I cannot count the number of laps that car has overturned. This accident happened at a red light, right at the intersection. The main reason is that the Audi has changed directions unexpectedly. As a result, these 2 cars have been damaged severely. Here are some pictures after the crash. Next, at the fuel pump station, a car suddenly loses control. It ran right through and crashed into the convenience store. Oh. Several bombers, including women, are trying to lift this car out of the incident. A very high-speed Porsche had an accident, causing a very big incident. The visibility, coupled with the driver's responsibility, is not enough to prevent this collision. A very unexpected lane change has caused an accident. That's a self-destructing reverse phase of the Porsche car. Luckily, in this situation, there was only one accident. Do you want to try the feeling of smashing $1 million car? Now, this film is not very sharp, but you can definitely see the terrible accident ahead. This crazy car has just rammed right into the Rolls Royce and then runs away. That's an idiot in car. The scene of this terrible collision was between two cars. The Rolls Royce crashes straight into the warning light. That is a supercar crossing water. Very satisfied with the smoke of this Rolls Royce. With such stupid handling, this driver should really just give up his license. The Lexus tries to cross the lane and causes an accident. These two cars just tried to give each other a kiss. Though driving like this is really cool enough. This is a super messed up door. Thank you for your interest in watching our videos. Please remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and press that notification bell to receive the earliest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.